In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView in 2025. If you're looking to start trading directly from TradingView using your Pepperstone account, you're in the right place. Whether you're interested in demo trading or diving straight into live markets, this guide will walk you through the entire process with clarity and confidence. First things first, you need to open an account with Pepperstone. This is a crucial step because it's your gateway to accessing the TradingView platform. So head over to the Pepperstone website. You'll have the option to create either a demo account for practice or a live account if you're ready to commit funds and start trading with real money. As you navigate through the account creation process, make sure to select TradingView as your preferred trading platform. This choice will facilitate a smoother transition when it comes time to connect the two platforms. With your Pepperstone account set up and ready to go, it's now time to log into TradingView. Visit tradingview.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to any chart you prefer. At the bottom of the interface, you'll notice a section called the Trading Panel. This area is where all the magic happens, allowing you to link your Pepperstone account directly. Now let's move on to linking Pepperstone. Within the Trading Panel, you'll see a list of brokers. Look for Pepperstone and select it. When you choose it, you'll be prompted to enter your Pepperstone login credentials. Make sure you have these on hand and enter them carefully to ensure a seamless connection. Next, we'll take care of authorizing this connection. You will be redirected to the secure client area of Pepperstone. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your trading account remains protected. Here you'll see an option to approve access, which is vital to link your TradingView account with Pepperstone securely. Click on Approve Access to finalize the connection. And just like that, you're now fully connected. Once everything is set up, you'll find yourself redirected back to your TradingView chart. From here, you can start trading immediately. You can place trades, utilize custom scripts, and keep an eye on your positions, all directly from the TradingView platform. Everything is integrated for your convenience, making the trading process more efficient and enjoyable. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to trade seamlessly using Pepperstone and TradingView. Remember, this setup enables you to explore the rich features and insights that TradingView offers while benefiting from the reliability of Pepperstone as your broker. Happy trading!